Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the TQQQ ETF. We previously shared an initial report on our website on Monday, January 22, 2024, and now we're back with an even more detailed analysis. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any changes that could impact your investments. Looking to boost your trading decisions? We have an exciting offer for you. Try out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. With this tool, you can tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Before we begin, please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has identified TQQQ as a buy candidate with a score of 3.51. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 12.33% since we first recommended TQQQ as a buy 10 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.23% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently positioned within a strong and upward trend, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of 50.12% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from 33.76% to 54.85%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected change of 76.34% over the next year, with potential returns ranging from 18.62% to 91.63%. This translates to a price range of $64.96 to $104.94 after 1 year. Our latest update on the TQQQ ETF reveals a stronger technical forecast for its price after Monday's trading session. On Monday, January 22, 2024, the TQQQ ETF price experienced a gain of 0.403%, rising from $54.54 to $54.76. This marks a streak of 3 consecutive days of gains. We are excited to see if this upward momentum will continue or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated between a low of $54.51 and a high of $55.92, representing a 2.59% fluctuation. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 8 instances, culminating in a 19.1% increase over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the volume of shares traded decreased by 18 million on the last day. In total, approximately 74 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to around $4.07 billion. It's important to consider that a decrease in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the near future. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the TQQQ ETF's highest price was $55.92, while the lowest price was $19.98. Currently, the price is 2.07%, equivalent to $1.16, below its 52-week high and 71.31%, equivalent to $136.12, below its all-time high on January 8, 2021, when it reached $190.88. Let's take a look at the signals for TQQQ. The TQQQ ETF has some promising indicators. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these averages shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term one. In case of downward corrections, there is support expected at $51.60 and $48.47. However, if the stock falls below these levels, it may trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued on Thursday, January 4, 2024, when the stock hit a pivot bottom point. Since then, it has risen by 19.54%. This upward trend is expected to continue until a new top pivot is reached. It's worth noting that despite gaining prices, there was a decrease in trading volume, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could serve as an early warning, so it's important to closely monitor the ETF. On the other hand, some negative signals have also been identified, which might have an impact on the short-term development of TQQQ. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently indicating a sell signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is showing a sell signal. The pivots indicator gave a buy signal 12 days ago. The Bollinger indicator gave a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average is indicating a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 51 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we can see that the short moving average gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 49 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 39 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. Let's start with the downside. Currently, the ETF finds support just below today's level at $44.40 and $44.24. When an ETF is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If this support is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. For TQQQ, the next support levels would be at $44.40, followed by $44.24 and $42.94, based on accumulated volume data. In terms of risk, TQQQ has average movements during the day and good trading volume. This puts the risk at a medium level. In the previous day, the ETF had a price range of $1.41 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 2.59% fluctuation. Looking at the past week, TQQQ has shown a daily average volatility of 3.49%. Today, we'll be diving into some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we can see that there's no significant resistance above, indicating the possibility of a swift upward movement for the stock. If the conditions are right, it might be a good idea to enter a position and use volume as a guide for when to exit. On the other hand, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $44.40. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound in the near future. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $52.99, which represents a decrease of 3.24%. This ETF exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was found 11 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, we believe there is a buying opportunity for TQQQ ETF. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion from hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements of TQQQ and found the current price to be undervalued. On Tuesday, January 23rd, we expect TQQQ to open up $0.303 and start trading at $55.06. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always recommended to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the stock market and share our current view on it. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree with our analysis. We're interested in hearing your thoughts. Before we dive in, we'd like to ask you about your target for the ETF. Leave your target in the comments section, and let's see if our views align. Your participation is important to us. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. We appreciate your support. Lastly, we want to wish you successful trading and a beautiful day. From all of us here at Stock Invest, thank you for watching.